Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate AI images for free based AI tool. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's hop into the video. So to get started, first you need to open up any browser from your device. After that, search Lexica. Tap on the first link as shown here. After that, you will be redirected to the official page of Lexica. Now from here, you can see different types of AI images. Now go to search bar and type anything you want. And then select search. As you can see, the results will pop up. You can also tap the gallery icon beside the search bar and from here, choose any image from your gallery. And then tap on generate. Now you need to describe the image. And then select generate. Wait for it. And your selected image will be generated to AI images for free.